Good afternoon guys and good afternoon YouTube. Friends எல்லாம் சூப்பராக இருப்பீங்க நம்புகிறேன். நம்ம சுரேஷ் அண்ட் ட்ரைடன் vlogs ஆரம்பித்ததுலேருந்தே நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் கேட்ட ஒரே வண்டி ப்ரோ ஆர்எஸ் பற்றி சொல்லுங்கள். ஸோ இவர் வந்து பாவேஷுங்க. ஸோ இவர் வந்து இந்த வண்டி வாங்கி கொஞ்சம் நல்லாவே ரைட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காரு. ஸோ நம்ம இவர்கிட்ட கேட்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த vlog வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் தமிழ் ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்ம கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? சூப்பர். So bro, first of all, thank you so much, and many of our people from Suresh and Trident Vlogs are asking about this bike only. So how is Triple RS? So please introduce yourself and please tell us more about the bike.
Hi friends, this is Bhavesh. I own a Street Triple RS. This is a wonderful super bike compared to any other segment if you're going for the 700cc. If you compare to any other bikes, it's much more compact and it feels very confident while driving. If a new beginner just like me who is upgrading from 250cc's to 800cc's, then this is the best segment bike you can own. Yes, okay. No doubt about it.
Okay. So bro, how did you start your biking, bro? So what was your first bike?
My first bike was Kawasaki Ninja 250.
First bike was Kawasaki Ninja 250?
Exactly.
Okay.
I ride it before 10 years.
10 years,
yes.
Okay.
And after that journey, this is my second bike.
Second bike,
yeah,
okay.
This is my second super bike.
Okay.
I'm very much what is satisfied with it compared to any other bikes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, how about the power, bro? So previously you own a Ninja, that is a 250cc.
Exactly.
And coming to this one is a 765cc.
Exactly.
And how we are managing the power? 123 bhp.
Yeah.
Is it manageable?
Yeah, it's totally. That's what I said. The first thing, it's a very compact bike. It comes with a very huge power, but as a compact, we can manage it very confidently, sir.
Okay.
After driving 250cc, and next to it, when I ride this, even for the first time, it was very comfortable for me.
Okay.
I didn't feel like that I'm driving a 800cc bike or it's like a very harsh or something. It's very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So bro, before finalizing that I'm going to own a Street Triple RS, what are the bikes you consider apart from RS?
Apart from RS, I went for Z900.
Okay.
Yeah, the Z900 kind of feels bulk because after 250cc, if you go for sports bike, then first of all you have to be confident.
Okay.
And when I saw the Z900, it was very bulky.
Okay.
So the next bike which I saw was Triumph, and it's perfect for me.
Perfect for you.
Yes.
Okay. So if anyone is coming to Superbike culture new, like directly they can take RS or
They can directly go for the RS. No doubt.
No
Yes.
doubt. Okay.
No doubt. It's much more confident.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if from a newbie also, or is it easy?
Yes, they can easily handle it.
Okay. So from a 250 or a Domino 400, we
Exactly, the beginner just like me, because even I upgraded from my 250cc to directly from 765, and this is the best choice I made.
Okay. So friends, இந்த வண்டியில் அவர் என்னென்ன மாடிஃபை பண்ணியிருக்காருன்னு நம்ம அப்படியே பார்ப்போம். So bro, what are the modifications you did for this RS?
Windshield,
okay.
Sliding indicator,
okay.
Front as well as rear,
okay.
Fork protector, spools.
Fork protector and that spools, okay. Spools. Okay. And the main thing, I'm waiting for that exhaust.
Yes, Acropovic.
Acropovic, okay. Exactly. So this one is a full system or a slip-on, bro?
Just a slip-on.
Slip-on.
Yes.
So what's the price for this?
85,000.
85,000.
Yeah.
So I was enjoying the full ride today.
No doubt. It sounds wonderful.
Seriously, it was so awesome to hear.
Yeah.
Okay. So friends, Acropovic இன்னும் க்ளோஸ்ல பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. Bro, can you switch it on for us?
Yeah.
No, this is a slip-on.
Yeah.
If you put full system, what will happen?
It won't be bearable to hear.
Yeah.
It won't be much more louder.
Okay.
Yeah.
So bro, from morning we have did around like 200 plus kilometers.
Exactly.
Okay. So how did you feel? Is it like too loud or we can manage?
We can manage it.
Is it irritating or good to hear?
It's totally good.
Good
Very
to hear.
soft.
Very soft.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Loud
Okay.
and soft.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, this bike has LED lights.
Okay.
So the bug eye design. So how practical it is, bro? During night times.
Pardon?
How is the visibility?
It's good.
Good.
It's good.
So we don't need any extra accessory lights
nothing,
like
nothing.
that.
Nothing. You don't
Everything
need any
is
extra.
fine. Okay. So bro, what about these mirrors?
comes in stock.
Stock mirrors, but is it really useful?
It is.
It's useful.
Yes, it
Okay.
is.
Okay. Bro, any good things and bad things about this RS?
Good things, I said everything about it. It's really good. I don't know what should I say. Any bad thing about it?
Okay.
I don't
Oh,
feel.
there's no bad thing for
no,
you.
No, not
Okay.
at all.
Okay. Okay. So bro, is there any future plans upgrading from RS?
Yes, from RS, I'm planning for BMW S1000 RR. That's
Oh.
my dream bike actually.
My best wishes, bro.
Thank you.
Superb. Okay. So bro, what's the on-road price of the RS?
13.75.
13.75.
13.75 on road.
Okay. So the down payment depends on
Down payments, I guess around 2 lakh.
2 lakhs is the
Yes,
down payment.
down payment.
And we can go for EMI.
Exactly.
Okay. So bro, compared to city and highway, how is it to drive in the city and highway?
In highway, it's just a beast. No
Okay.
doubt about it. It's just a
Okay.
beast. And in
Okay.
city, we can drive it, but it's quite difficult because
Okay.
the engines get too much heat easily
Okay.
actually.
Okay.
City. But still, it's comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Okay. Can we drive it in normal slippers? Without riding boots or shoes, can we drive it with slippers or sandals?
Yeah, it's easy to drive, but
Okay.
usually I don't prefer to drive in slippers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we should minimum wear a jeans and a shoe.
At least a shoes.
Okay.
Not in slippers.
Okay. Bro, you have done your service for this bike?
Not yet.
Not yet. First service also not done.
No, not done.
Oh, okay. It's a new bike then.
It's a new.
It's a run-in or what?
Yeah.
Oh man, okay. Run-in itself, we have changed the exhaust also.
Exactly.
Okay, enjoying. Okay. So bro, if there is any new riders
Okay.
going to upgrade their bike,
Okay.
is there any suggestion from your end?
Go for the Triumph,
Okay.
at least Trident or
Okay.
Street Triple RS or Speed Twin.
Speed Twin.
Exactly.
Okay.
Compared to any other bikes, it's more confident,
Okay.
more compact,
Okay.
and you own a beast.
Okay.
Yes.
So bro, thank you so much for your review. I hope this will be useful for all our STV family members.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much bro.
Thank you.
ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஓவராலாக நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க ஸ்ட்ரீட் 765 RS. இந்த பக்கை டிசைன் தாங்க செம்ம அழகாக இருக்குது. ஸோ அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி இப்போதைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோக் ப்ரொடெக்டர் போட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து ஸ்க்ராலிங் இண்டிகேட்டர்ஸ் போட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆக்ரோபோவிக் ஸ்லிப் ஆன். ஸோ அதோட சவுண்ட் நீங்கள் கேட்டிருப்பீங்க, வேறு லெவலில் இருந்தது. ஸோ அவர்கிட்ட நம்ம கேட்ட வரைக்குமே 2 பேர் தாராளமாக போகக்கூடிய வண்டி தாங்க. பட் இது வந்து சீட் கவுல் வந்து போட்டிருக்காங்க. நம்ம வேணும்னா இதை எடுத்துகிட்டு சீட் போட்டுக்கலாம். ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட். ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், கண்டிப்பாக அது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். See you all in another video. Until then, be happy, take care, ride safe, and முக்கியமாக சிரிக்க மறந்துடாதீங்க. Take care and bye guys.